It is Thursday, fourth period here at KIT Iizuka. This is English 7D, and let's start looking at what you're going to be doing this week. Okay, today is class number 5, May 8th, and if you look at the schedule has today, May 8th, then May 15th, and then the 22nd, and just those 3 classes, so only the 8th, the 15th, and the 22nd, until your test. So from today, we have to start concentrating on making sure that you're ready to do your conversation test. We'll do the normal speaking exercises, but at the end of the class today, maybe in the last 20 minutes, 15 minutes, I'll show you how to start thinking in a way so that even with the English that you have, you can start communicating with other people. Oops, sorry. Let me get that back there. Not really lock that down. Okay, so that's the conversation test. That will be June 5th. And also take note, between the 22nd and the 5th is actually May 29th, but that's actually a Tuesday schedule. So the Thursday classes we won't have will go straight from week number 7 on May 22nd to the conversation test. Okay, I'll tell you more as we go along. Let's go back to what we're doing today. Okay, so today we're going to be doing some shadow talking, learning and changing up there, and there's the link for it. We'll be accessing that soon. You can access that on your phones or your tablets, whatever you like. Okay. You also have this week your vocabulary quiz right here. This will be due on May 18th, so please make sure that you get that done. You still have 10 days to do it. You can take it 3 times. Moodle will remember your best score. As per usual, you will have a reflection this week, and I try to bring you more questions that you have to think about a bit more. Probably you don't think about this very much, but the idea of eating meat, beef, pork, or chicken, probably you don't think too much about the fact that maybe that's not very healthy, or about all the other ideas on that. Now, I'll be honest with you, I love eating meat. I love eating a good steak. Yesterday I ate chicken. Today I ate chicken. But this might be an interesting video for you to watch. Okay? And then the question down here. Okay? Do you think you eat too much meat? What else did you learn from this video? Write that down on a piece of paper, take a picture, upload this. This will be due on Friday. So basically we have only 2 things. Okay? The reflection and the vocabulary quiz. As always, if you ever have any questions, you can always contact me at my email, which is, right, can I get that big? No, I can't. Okay, right here, jdmcruz@gmail.com. Or you can come and talk to me here before or after class. Okay, everybody, let's have a good class.